Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a cutting of dragon fruit like this. This is a yellow dragon fruit, and what I'm going to do is get it ready for rooting. So I have my dragon fruit cutting like this, and today I'm using Root Boost. So I open the cap and I poured some out. The inside looks like this. Got the cap right here, and I've got some potting soil right here. So cut some slits like this. I just use a knife, put alcohol on it, and I just shaved it around like this. So you take this and you just dip it on the powder for the root cutting. Make sure you get all sides. See, I got some on there. Alright guys, dip it around like this guys. Generally be generous on it. Make sure you got enough in there. See, I missed some on that side. Get them like that. Leave it here for a couple minutes, and then you just take the dragon fruit. You just take it and you place it right here in potting soil. So I'll just put them in my potting soil like this. I guess this rooting hormone stimulates root growth. Place them right down in my soil. Pat the edges up a little bit. My soil is already moist guys, so I'm not going to water it. Alright. Let's pat the soil down. So once again guys, this is what I'm using. Root Boost. This video is not sponsored by the way, but this is what I'm using right here. There's my dragon fruit in the pot now. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. There's a little update of my dragon fruit growing over there. And they're getting bigger. There's the other ones I planted in pots earlier. You saw me root. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see any other videos, if you want me to make any other videos, let me know. Alright guys, thank you.